हरिः कर्ता
That's up. Now it's time to deep dive into step 3, which is EDA. EDA, that is exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis. So, exploratory data analysis is a crucial step in the supervised learning process that involves analyzing and understanding the data set. Various techniques can be used during EDA to gain insights into the data. So, some of the techniques we will see, but we will split those techniques into the various sections, under which the first section is organized data. In organized data, we will do data sorting. It could be ascending or descending, then data categorization, data tabulation, and the most important is a data visualization. That's create histograms, bar charts, line plots, scatter plots, box plots, and heat maps to visualize the distribution and relationships between variables. Use pie charts, donut charts, or stacked bar charts to analyze the categorical variable. And the section 2, which is a summarized data. So here it's calculate measures such as mean, median, mode, which comes under the measures of central tendency, then measures of dispersion, that's standard deviation and variance, range, IQR. Then we have the measures of shape, which are nothing but skewness and kurtosis, then percentiles, quartiles, deciles, and the final one is measures of association. Your R squares, basically correlation and covariance. So the third section is data profiling. So data profiling, nothing but explore the data structure, including column names, data types, missing values, and unique values. So identify potential data quality issues and inconsistencies. That's what is your data profiling. And the fourth section under EDA techniques is pattern discovery. Pattern discovery. So use a clustering algorithms. Obviously, the clustering algorithms are nothing but unsupervised algorithms. So we will use unsupervised algorithms in EDA, exploratory data analysis, fundamentally to gain the insights or to find out or to explore the hidden patterns or in between the variables or features. So clustering algorithms like k-means or hierarchical clustering to identify natural groupings or patterns within the data. So conduct association rule mining to discover interesting relationships between variables. So that's it. The most important step is using mainly the unsupervised clustering algorithms are used in discovering the patterns in exploratory data analysis of supervised machine learning process. Very most important technique to be remembered. Okay. And the fifth one is feature relationship analysis. Okay. Feature relationship analysis. So here what we do is investigate the relationships and dependencies between features, use techniques like scatter plots, pair plots, or parallel coordinate plots to visualize feature interactions. So these are the techniques that we use widely under EDA. So if you want to learn and understand and ace these techniques, which is the most important step in supervised machine learning model building, the EDA, if you want to learn it. So if you want to learn the techniques under which, I would I would request you to get into my course called Intuitive Descriptive Statistics for You course. In that course, I have explained each and every topic in detail with example, organized data, summarized data, and even the correlation covariance in detail. I would request you to watch that course videos. Okay. So next, the most important question that may pop up in your mind could be, is EDA. So once EDA is done, what's next? What's we're gonna do?